Almost every day on average, they say here in the UK, more than 2,000 babies are born. Well, Monday, only one of those has commanded the world's attention, and we don't even know his name yet. But we do know that this baby Cambridge begins a life of unimaginable royal wealth and privilege, one that proves it's good to be the future king.
Most babies born into the world feel pretty content with a warm blanket and a regular supply of milk.
Save the Queen!
But a certain new addition to planet Earth, and one with royal blood, is set to enjoy a few extra perks.
In terms of luxury, glamour and lifestyle, it's really going to tick all the boxes. This will certainly be a baby that will never want for anything. It's a baby that's going to be raised in palaces and have chefs, have a team of people really to look after him.
She's not kidding. Some of the perks will include access to 5 castles, 3 protection officers, a fleet of royal vehicles, and 3 royal nurseries. Not so bad for someone who was just born.
This is a tiny baby, but it's destined to be one of the richest people in the world. The Queen is, of course, one of the richest people in Britain, one of the richest people in the world. And not only does she have liquid cash, she's also got incredible houses, fantastic art, antiques, horses. She has a huge amount of wealth. She's one of the biggest landowners in Britain, and that's the wealth that this baby is coming into.
Princess Diana took her own small children around the world with her, and this baby boy is bound to be living the same jet-set lifestyle.
The point is that this is an HRH, and in being HRH, you're not normal.
Still, it's not all jewels and fairy tales just yet.
The baby will not have its own crown quite yet. Certainly the crown itself, the Queen's crown, is very heavy and we know weighs nearly as much as the baby itself.
Baby Cambridge will have to wait for his own coronation for that.